This is the ionization potential of mercury using Thurstone valve made by Mars ME 524P. This left side analog meter 0 to 20 milliampere. This side right 0 to 20 volt meter analog, and this voltage of AC filament 6.3 volt AC, and this is plus terminal of DC voltage with negative socket, and this right side potential meter. Now connect 3 volt AC black to black with patch cords, and another connect the socket with patch cords, and now connect 20 volt of DC connect to anode terminal connected, and this negative of cathode terminal connected, and now connect the 220 volt AC in this kit, and now switch on the instrument, and this potential meter note down the reading voltage versus current. Here is slowly potential meter clockwise with increase the current noted, and now fire the valve, and after note the voltage and see the current, and this is manual of ionization potential of mercury using thyristor ME 524P, and this is procedure. Follow the step by step, and this table anode voltage and anode current, take the reading, and thank you.